entire flight. Thanks for soaring with us. To unfasten your seatbelt, just push down on the red button on your right. Be sure to gather all your carry-on items from the underseat compartment and exit to your left. Have a great stay here in Epcot or wherever your final destination may take you.
Guys, how was that? Jeez. That was so cool. All right, that ride was the soaring around the world, and it bring you all of the different countries, and it did highlight some of the best sceneries. That was nice. Thank you for watching. Yeah, man, we're up early today. Early. Stewart, big up yourself. We're at Epcot, and we have a lot more things to do. Good morning. I know say me early. Me very early. Let's walk. Where do we go next? We didn't want to do the Guardian of the Galaxy ride, but they need a queue at open 1 o'clock. I'm going to try to come in as early as possible, but I'm still late, so I have to wait. Them do have a Ratatouille ride too. Never been on that one before, so I'm going to go towards that and see if I can bring it up on that one day with me. But guys, I don't see how early the morning be and everybody up. When you come at them place, yeah. You have to leave out as soon as possible, especially with the weather. You never know what kind of weather you get. So as the sun peak out, try to take as much advantage as you can, because the weather here is very unpredictable. As look at rainfall, I just time for go. Worse when lightning, some of the rides them you can't do for safety reasons. But yeah. Walk with me. Try find another ride, guys. Good morning, top of the morning to everyone. Welcome in. Happy Sunday. You know, each and every Sunday we try to bring you out somewhere new, show you some different scenes, you know, giving you the grand tour of everything. We just did the soaring around the world ride. That was so good. Simonet! Good morning. Pick up yourself, Simonet. Thank you so much for always being here. Even when you don't get to there, you're still checking and watch the replays. I appreciate you. Thank you. Yeah, I do know. Thank you. Big up yourself, Simonet, every time. Okay, guys, walk with me. When last time I go outside, man? Try to go on another ride. I'll see. I can't manage a long line today, guys. The long line on me, it not gonna work. Big up Simonet every time. Every time. I hope me not move too fast for now, but me I try to get to the other ride them where the line not too long. So bear with me, okay? Sorry if me not holding a steady enough. But yeah, what up on the menu this morning? I know me not already post the food them yet, but me I go do it. Me have them already for post. But come I did go up on the ride them, I just have to jump on real quick. Make gonna see what I go on. Please guys, can you please choose one plate of food? Me I tell you no in advance. Please choose one plate of food, okay? Me don't want nobody I say 1, 3, 5, 1 to 5, 4 to 1, 3 to 5. Come on now. Sure. After the better man. After. Thank you for the likes. Good. Well, that cannot happen and will never. You see you, Stuart? You see you? You are one of the ringleader, them, because you see when you start it, everybody follow. When you start it, everybody follow, man. Yeah, I can't manage. What's your line dance? Okay. Wow. Full time?
Give me some shoulder. Turn to the left. Some shoulders.
Yeah, it's online dance. You guys, you want to go dancing? Oh my God. Yeah. Hey. 1, 2, 3, go. No new friends. Wagwan. Woo. Hungry. No new friends. Big up yourself. Me see one guy pass a while ago. No new friends with a Guinness shirt. I want to say, where is no new friends? Where is no new friends? And there you go. Look like say you just know say me did I call your name over here.
And you decided that give you questions to figure out the next song. Alright, ahora en español, ¿cuál de las hermanas de Mirabel tiene el don de la
Mr. Music, big up yourself, welcome in. Thank you for the likes. Oh, thumbs up at live. Thank you. Thank you so much for liking the live, guys. Appreciate it so much. Yes. Thank you. So no me I show no everywhere, no me I bring no everywhere with me. You see, we're up early this morning, early start. Big Sunday. Early start, man. Now worry yourself, I soon post on a Sunday dinner. I already have them already for post. Just because the line did move quick, so I never really get for post. I have to show the ride itself. Soaring around the world. So cool. Yeah. Well, here's so nice. They have a whole heap of different food spots. You can check out.
What are you gonna get?
And try. I'm like that little area too. You can sit down and eat. Stewart! You know a thing, girl. You know some people just like listen and watch. That's fine, but all likes are appreciated. Thank you. When are you going to make some roast rasta pasta? Jesus Christ. One of your friends, you're not going to set me up. You're not going to set me up. Seriously. Me did tell you say me can cook? Me did tell you say me can cook? Walking. Okay, let's see what them have over here. So, oh, over here, so me like so them have the show. I think it's the Japanese drummers. They are so good, guys. A live show. That was cool. Okay, all the way over there, so. I'm gonna go over there when we're done. Guys, right now I'm hungry. Now I'm there. I can't look some food. No new friends. They know it come down, man. Okay, so one thing I love about the Epcot park, right? It has all the different countries, and every country have them area where them highlight like the most popular things about them country, or where them country known the most for, and you know, you get to see all of that. Even the restaurants there, them bring like a kind of for them kind of food, or maybe infused with for them kind of food mostly. But you know, you still have the regular food. So I do like that as well. Oh, what's on dumpling? A mackerel, I can cook it. So when I say mackerel, that's me. You know, mackerel and rice, egg and bread. Yep, I mean that. Canada far and wide. Canada have a nice show too. Far and wide. I learned a lot about Canada when we did watch the show here. So probably me go and bring one of this, so maybe. You and Miss Little family. Why you say that? Why you say that, Stuart? Talk to me though. Hmm? Come little. Murder. Okay, so everywhere you walk, and there's always like a little stall. We call it stall. You can get your water, your local juice, and them have these water fan, you know. And them have like beer and all of them local things there. You understand? Then a souvenir, you can get your souvenir. They have a whole heap of different things. Wow, so butter cheese. Oh God, butter cheese would have set me right. Set me right. Them have the personalized bracelet. Them leather or just other you can engrave it. Put your name on it. I think that is so cool. Look at these. Ooh. Because you say you can't cook glass. Oh yeah. Oh my God. It's been a while since I've seen that commercial. Me not tell you, like back in the day they had like the best commercial on TV. The best ads. It is so authentic. So Jamaican. Really love it. So thank you for that memory, man. That trip down memory lane. It's pretty cool. And over here, they do have, as you know, them celebrate Halloween here. Big on Halloween. So them start bring out the pumpkin and, you know, all of that stuff. You have the Little Mermaid ones. All that. And even the pumpkin Mickey lights. Pretty cool. And because over here is Canada, you can see them have them Canada shirts, hats, bags, all of that. So everybody have them little area where you can get that souvenir based on the country, you know, if that's what you're into. Let's walk. This is huge. I love mackerel. I eat mackerel every day. Mackerel and dumpling, mackerel and rice. Vibe. I love it. Good morning, taxi. Wagwan. Big up yourself, top of the morning. Outside, I know I'm dragging out of bed from early. I know I couldn't rest this morning. I have to make use of the sun. The last 2 weeks, it's been raining, so I never get to bring on away. That is good to hear. You're doing good. Screenshot. That is it, none of your friends. Screenshot to catch the boat tonight. Yep. Yeah, big up yourself, taxi. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Every Sunday, I do try to bring you guys with me to different places, or sometimes the same place, but we do different things. And, catch the vibe. So just in case if you don't have any questions about the place or anything, feel free to ask. When we answer it, I'm going to post a live replay. So, sometimes people want to go on vacation, big up taxi. People want to go somewhere new and you don't know where to go. You can watch out my live replays. Me post all of them. You check it out. And, it give you a little idea of your vacation destination. You can see the live thing of what it is, what is going on, the food them have, entertainment, vibe, all of that stuff. So yeah, and then you decide, oh, okay, I want to do that, and then you just go. Yes. None of your friends, how much screenshot your phone have? Your phone's supposed to full of screenshot, screenshot videos. Okay, over here, so this fish and chip shop. Jeez. Nice. When me say nice, bad. Bad. Well, nice. True. Bring on with me. No. No, I only go live on Sundays. Only on Sundays. Why me did go live last week on Saturday? Because it was our anniversary, 5-year wedding anniversary, and we did get to the place on Saturday. So I just did bring on show no wagwan on the Saturday. The Saturday live is not a regular thing. That was a bonus, so no bother with it. No bother with it. That's pretty. Safe out, big guys. After work. Like, so no, just want me to just go places and I go live all the time. Mercy. Good morning, Pedro from Brazil. Wow, I've never had anyone watching from Brazil. Thank you for being here, Pedro. Appreciate it. Big up yourself. Okay, we're trying to get over the Ratatouille ride. Let's see the vibe. But I know that line here are gonna be drastic, very drastic. I know that. A long time we are walk. I know the food not start till 10:30 though. The food not start till 10:30, so that's a good sign. Yeah, it's a good sign. Thank you guys for being here though. Thank you for chilling with me and talking to me. So me now there I talk to myself like me I'm adult. That's like it's big of yourself taxi. Okay, so now we're in France. I'm telling us that we are going to the Ratatouille ride. When I ever watch that movie, Ratatouille, that's one of my favorite movies. Some not because it's the rat, it's just the whole the cooking, the passion for the food. The passion for the food. Heavy on that. France is nice. Oh, music! I've never been to France. I don't know. Hopefully one day I may get to go. I love that ride, Stuart. It is such a good movie. So they have a ride here called Ratatouille, and that's where we're going. Hopefully the line is not too long. Hopefully the line is not too crazy. So we now feel like turn up like for 10 hours. So let's see. I enjoyed little morning stroll. Can we go on the boat ride? Oh my god. Okay. You know me that thing about to do the boat ride this one. I'm say, you know what? I don't do too much boat ride. Every time I don't just have to be a boat ride. And I know I can't swim. So I say, we just pass here. We just pass here. Watch you know. You have to come ask for a boat ride. You have to come Lake Repese de Paris. Yeah. They said, taxi then go like them a big swim over here, I see. Love boat ride. Ah, look. Okay, so line for the Ratatouille. See it here? Lord of mercy, guys. We are going to so for walk your kill fill up. Eh? No, sir. You not going to wait with me? You not going to wait with me, though? Guys, look here. No, back too bad. Screenshot. Oh my god, thank you. No, sir. You know, every time I come on the ride here, at first the time ever so short though, because normally it's well longer than this. It will give me 2 hours because it is fairly new, so it's always full. So we have to go wait. We have to go wait it out. Since I found a day I wait, we're like, look at it. God go with it. Hey, Mama. None of your friends don't want to do it. Murder. That's why we're there so early. That's why we are here so early. Wow, look on people. Guys, 45 minutes is not a long time. Come on now. It is not a long time. It's not even an hour. It's not long. It's not long. Might not be 45 minutes. You have us walking along there, so waiting. It's not a problem. Yeah, a true Stuart. Thank you for being so understanding. You understand? I appreciate. You know it. Oh my God. I don't know if you get to know a drink or get to know look at something before. I don't know how wait. Come and say if you don't get something in our no belly, you know. If you don't get something in our no belly, you know we're alright. Eh? What wanna say? Come and wanna stay. Yes, Stuart, yes. Yeah, there. I say my sorry, I never post already. Me sorry, me never post already. Them I figure wait Sunday, then I figure late this morning. I just came so I can taxi! Live it, live it, live it, live it, live it. Good morning. Enjoy your trip, man. Yeah, oh God, Angel. Oh my God. No, that would have been the worst. Today we're at Epcot. Epcot Park. Good morning. Welcome in. You can imagine me they are bringing with me and they say, okay guys, we have to put up member. Yeah, thank you. We are at Epcot. You know, so if you put in a pool, let me put the pool because would you visit here? Epcot. Disney. Guys, you know say the line a move? You know say the line a move? And you don't want to wait. It a move fast. It's moving fast. All right, pool start. I don't know what that means. All right, guys, we're waiting to go on the Ratatouille ride. Oh, where am I from? I'm from Jamaica. Jamaica. Yeah, it's brand new, brand new. So we have to try to do it. You wanna see the fishes? They're no fish not in there. It's just the fountain. Aww. All right, I answered the poll vote. Somebody said not sure. Who said not sure? You know what? You see, you know what? We don't have to go down. We don't have to go down. Guys, I don't see you. Everybody I wait to go up on the ride there. I say me have to go bring on with me because it deserve it. Uno deserve it. Uno there with me from morning. I'd go again. Tami, you know good how well Jamaica. I know, Stewart. I know. I am sorry. TikTok drama.
That was yesterday. This is today.
Jesus, TikTok drama. Didn't hear me. Hola, welcome in. Taxi. Wagwan. Watch taxi a dance. You know what food you are waiting for now. I know what you're waiting for. They are still. I appreciate it, taxi. We appreciate. Hey, the rider better work the wait, you know. The rider, he better work the wait. Me not tell no lie. Because I know would angle me. Oh no, would angle me. Me see that lady there with one box. It look like a curry in the box, in her plate. No, me not lose it. Me not lose it. Me not lose it, man. We're there, man. We're there. Thank you guys for being here. Ravi. Oh, Ravi! Wagwan! Because oh, me know see a Ravi if you don't use be a different name over here. And you know, I have a DP, so I say a Ravi. Come on now. You have to make me know who it is. Especially when they're on different platform with different identity. Sure, we're Anglia, you know. I will Anglia. Food is worth the rate too. Do I text you at that part? That part. I hope so. Moving, moving fast.
I literally dropped it.
Pick up on yourself, guys. Guys, nobody ask me what, I don't know. Nobody ask me what, I don't know. We're in France. So a France food, we eat France food. Me mama, nobody ask me what, me screenshot this, because I have to go Google it. Me mercy. Hot ya? Do you have Facebook? No. Well, I have Facebook, I don't really use it. I have, you can add me on Facebook, Tami Winkle. Tami Winkle. The same as my my YouTube name is my same name on every social media platform. So feel free to add me on IG, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Yeah. Because when you're there in France, you do what the France's do. When you're there in France, you do what the France do. You know, I eat France food. I can't come to France and I eat something. Come on now, guys. Talk to me. It's a ham and cheese crepe. Ham and cheese crepe. That's what it is. A crepe like a boot. Crepe. Guys, when you go places, you hear me telling you something. You know, eat the same thing like where you eat every day. Yeah, it's about the experience. You understand? Literally me. What we're waiting for? Okay, we're in the Ratatouille line ride. It's burning hot. You just see ham and cheese crepe. Ham and cheese crepe. Yes. This is what they eat in France. And because we're in France, that's what we'll be having for breakfast this morning. Yes. Me mama. Okay. So that bread part, yeah. I don't know if you can see it. The bread is like a what did I say? Mama. It's like a bread. Guys. How long? Well, me don't know. When we just came in the line, it was 45-minute wait. So it's probably one of the things, Stuart. No, your friends. One of the things. How long? That's more like a cheap. Justin, you know what this is? Justin, explain to them for me, please. Justin, explain please to them. Very light. I hope so too. You better work it, trust me. If not, we have to just left the place. We have to just left the place. For real. not taste bad, no, my friends. It not taste bad. Surprisingly, it's not great, but it's edible. You know, it's not like me I go come back and order it again. That is it. That is it, Justin. Justin, thank you. It's like a flat pancake. Sometimes that is it. So it's like a flat pancake, just like what Justin said, and it has cheese and ham in it. And it's melted. So the cheese one I did sip on the top, or because it didn't melt. See? That's what I see? Or because it didn't melt.
Want some more?
I know, right?
You got a good piece, Tami.
Guys, come at me and I'm full. Murder. I'm gonna be I'm full, guys. Mercy. It is. It not taste bad. Not taste bad. Yeah, you did. Taxi, I was dead. Me think me I forgot to take you and put it over here. God, it was so funny. It's nice. Guys, it not taste bad. I become hungry. When you're hungry, different things taste good, do you know? Yeah, Justin. I've never had a savory version, ham and cheese in a crepe. It does sound a bit. Hello, Justin. After me there, I hype you up. No matter with you. I have to go down. After me there, I try to convince people. Them say, it's not bad. Hear you. It's a bit off. After me there, and I put your, you know, what you're saying, all your description, me did a highlight and I say, yeah, Justin, that is it. Yeah, you, it's a bit off. It's a bit off. You probably have strawberry and stuff in it. Okay, Justin. Justin, are you a chef? Are you a chef? I'm not like, I'm not eating the strawberry in there. I like strawberry in there. Really, you may trap me more. Guys, it's not bad. But hungry I kill me door, so that's probably the reason. That is it, that is it. Yeah, we can par. Justin. Me can't cook to save my life. Jesus Christ, Stuart, you did not go there. You have to go down. Stuart, you have to go down. Stuart. You see, you come like say me with a bring on one steakhouse and you go order chicken. And you go order chicken. And that, you see, me have to go make a rule. You see, when we're over here, so we are going to try some new things. This is why we are here. This is why we are here. Good morning, Taffy. Big up. Kim said crepes are usually fruit powder chip. Jesus, Kim, not bother with it, please. Oh, do not go down me over here. Look at the poo-poo. Jesus Christ, why I feel so attacked. I feel attacked. After me today, I say, all right, me I give one look at something for the worm, then not really too. You know? So on and so forth. For the worm, then not really too. So on and so forth. Everybody run and come and chastise me. It look like this, it look like that. That I say, all right, me better me never get anything then. Me better me never get anything. I should have just be to stay in the line hungry. Uno have to go down. I'm glad I screenshot this because when I done post it on my story and ask, you say, would you eat this? And uno I go see. Uno I go see how much somebody I go say yes. Yeah, Kim, you're right, Justin. Jesus Christ, not too bad. Guys, me I plug up the phone, the power bank. Yeah. I mean, no, say me that go over here so long we don't know. They never know me that go there so long we don't know. But you know they are wait for the ride with me. I appreciate it. No, I have to eat something. I have to eat something for true. Audrey, big up yourself, stream. Oh my gosh, it is so much hard work. It's fun though. I love it. I love it. I love the engagement of the people, you know. Like when I talk to myself, and you know, we all learn from each other. Thank you, Justin. Thank you, Kim. God no. Yeah, we all learn something new every day. Have to go down. Big up Dexy.
And then she's like, what? She's like, that's not the lady's fault. It's not her fault.
Look at water to wash it, dog. Big up, big up, big up. Yeah, alright. May go no look at water if you wash out the taste bad crepe out or no more. It tastes bad crepe. Eh? Big up Justin. Big up yourself, King, every time. Alright, Justin, big up. Tell if I can't pronounce any name. Shinizzle. Me say that name, they make it sound like me want to sneeze. You make it sound like me want to sneeze, it's true, you know. Stuart, drop it. Stuart, let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. She never this one. Oh my God, Justin. We just did soaring around the world. It was so much fun. That's what we started out with. She never this one. Big up yourself. That was so much fun. It brought us all over the different countries. While we've been to India, Great Walls of China, France, everywhere. In the Caribbean, we have to wash down the fufu. Hey, I sounded it still. So this line that we're in now, we're waiting on the Ratatouille ride. Remy Ratatouille Adventure. Remy Ratatouille Adventure. And it is fairly new. Never been on this one before. Oh, the fast one them. Well, not here. Not here. I've done the Tron and I've done yeah, I done roller coaster, but not crazy. I do roller coaster Busch Gardens. Yeah, the name make you want to see. She never this one. Yeah. Okay, guys, it look like we get a little closer now. This is not bad. We get a little closer, people. With the inside, uno never want to wait. Upside. All right, Justin, we are gonna stay in our lane. You understand? Taffy, big up yourself. We're outside. We are gonna stay in our lane. We're not gonna do too much. You understand? You see the little one them we stay flat and stay straight. Let's do that. Okay? Cause you are moving a little bit too fast. Limit. Guys, do remember we go live every Sunday. I bring you somewhere new with the gang, with the family, you know, all our day we outside. And you know, we try different things, we go different places. I do save the live replay. You can check out the other places that we've been before on the page in the live section. Feel free to subscribe if you haven't as yet. Thank you. Turn on the post notification bell because I don't have a specific time when I go live. I go live when I get there, and that can be at any time. Early in the morning, like now, or late in the evening. The weather may vary too, because sometimes rain a fall, sometime rain a fall. So me can't get fi go outside. Justin, you have to put the food right. Yeah, I like that with Tami. Yeah, cause my name is Tami. And the leak comes from family, so you put it together, you get family. Yeah, we're crossover. I use it on my TikTok for my TikTok family, so we bring it over YouTube. I love it. Limit, yeah, big up yourself, Kim. Appreciate you. Part of the family. Yeah, TLF now. Tammy, you need to plan a real trip with we now. A whole away Jamaican tribe. Them I go want come to. Why? Who that want go to Jamaica with me? Like, be for real. Like, if me plan a trip, who know that want come, make we link up. Would you guys want to be there? You would? Ooh, okay, Kim. Everybody have them visa and them passport. And I forget to no passport, Yeah, okay. But which part you know that one go do? Like we have a plan, guys. Remember, say we depend on a budget, We not go crazy. We not go to them big places. We are go with the people, the vendors, them, the street food. And that's how we are go. Yeah, man. We go support the locals. That vibe there with the pan. Wanna say 3 places one would I want to visit in Jamaica. 3 places. Let's see if we can plan around it. Talk to me. Let me see if we can work on it for 2025. We didn't cook on them on 2025. What's up for them? Jesus Christ, no new friends limit. No. Oi! Jesus Christ, you know saying I love your life. I thought you were on my side. Start planning and let us know. All right, guys. Every Sunday when I come over here, I will keep you guys up to date. I will keep you guys up to date on whatever else we have. Okay? But Mr. Teflon, Spanish Town. Can you imagine? Where would you go? That's a good question. I want to go somewhere where I know the area. And I know say, all right, I feel safe with uno there. And I can move around and give them like the ultimate Jamaica experience. You understand? Spanish. No new friends, you have to go down. No, you have to go down for true. Yeah, I have to go somewhere where I not fear depend on people for bring me around. I know that area and I know the spots and everything. Is it because I not go by myself? Yes. Yeah, Taffy. That sound good. What you sound good? What you sound good? Duns River Falls, Blue Hole, Mystic Mountain, where the street people them, fruit vendor, jerk chicken man, egg and bread. Yeah, yes. See there, and if you don't want to take it a little further too, we can do the catamaran boat ride. Since if you don't love boat ride and can't swim. What she pretty, what she nice at you, Blue Lagoon. Yes, man. Blue Lagoon. So, you don't want to come with me or you don't want me to bring on up on Sunday? Which one of them you don't want to do? Come in, I don't want to see. No new friends at Kingston are there? Cause the only way I can say if I go to Kingston is if you there at Kingston. 'Cause I look like a Kingston you there, you know. I say when me go up on this already, I don't scream out my throat wall. God. Hey, hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. Jerk festival. Oh, I love jerk, you know. Me feel like a whole heap of people are going to go the jerk festival they do came. Me feel like a whole heap of people are going to go the jerk festival there. So all airport I go full. Sound good though. I think that's important. Yeah, Portland Jerk Festival. Is it Portland? Portland and Boston are the same place? Me not know. But I normally hear about Boston Jerk Festival. Portland pretty. Me not tell no lie. Portland pretty. We gotta go closer. Tami, you going to cartel concert? Me? Where me forget it from? Me not have millions of dollars. Who don't sponsor me figure? Me don't have it. If me did have it, more than go and bring it with me. Oh, me don't have it.
I want to go on that.
Me don't have it at all. I think guys will get close by.
And me and the little boy next to me were just like,
Yeah, no. Me don't know. We have to go work together as a team.
he literally was like, I know I see it.
Gustas. How much? So, me don't know how much. No, not nice. They're the same place as Portland. Jerk place is nice. Okay. Do you know people in Portland? No, we know. Me don't really know nobody at Portland like that. I do. Kim do. So I come like if me serious, me have to go make Kim give me the information. Me don't know. Portland nice. Me just like how Portland look. It just, me don't know. It look like I know Jamaica, one different place. Oh, all right. All right, limit. Guys, on this is. Oh, they're very nice. Oh, that's nice. Tami, you know. Jesus Christ. Stop wrong, smaddy. Me already married. You be not cry. You say they don't want to go on the road. All good, Kim. Big up yourself, man. Love alone, you know. All the time, man. All good, you know. You know, me not stay like that. Ratatouille. Yeah. Yep, definitely. Oh, Jesus. The baby say, I want something to eat and this a long line, yeah. All right, guys, we are get closer. Murder. Oh, Jesus. Guys, we come like so we are going at the restaurant here now. I'm excited. The baby wants some oxtail. Ooh, guys, we're in the kitchen. at the kitchen. Wow. Oh, look at this. It is a vibe. Look, Stuart, you know, say from morning, uno nga deal with me, from morning, uno come for me. From morning, uno team up and come for me. Like, be for real. What am I do wrong in our life? All I do is take you guys out the house, you know. All I do is take you guys out the house. I did I try with him, you know. I did I try with him for true. What it look like, say. I was really trying. Not true. The room is getting full. Yes, yes, yes. Million. Curry goat, you say? Wow. That sounds good. Guys, and hear the local music I go on, I play. I have no idea what this ride is gonna be like. If I put in my pocket until we go on the ride good, I put in my pocket because I'm not telling like uno there with me in the Gideon. Uno stand firm. Hopefully I can get to bring my phone though. Yeah, me also me don't understand. Baby hungry. Baby don't want to come out of the yard so early. Baby hungry, man. No, sir. Oh, Jesus. Is the ride up the castle? Is it the ride? Me don't know how far we're reaching now. To be honest, me don't really know how far we're there now. But we've been here for a while. See them show you like backpack on the floor. It looks like I don't know nothing too crazy. Me no new friends. It look like I become nervous. It looks like I become nervous. I probably had the crepe. I wonder if I crepe, Kazi. The crepe. Guys, I tell you, say, when I go in the ride or something, I probably going to put in a pocket and set up the area and and blah, blah, blah. You understand? So, talk about it, fun. Talk about it. See there, guys, we're so rich. We have one at a long can of a grown and then a weed that. Pixie, you're still there. I want you there with me like it, you know. Boy, the baby sound like how me feel. The baby sound like how me feel. Bad to bad. Guys, they won't forget with 3D glasses. Ratatouille ride. So let's grab our glasses. How much are we there? 243 smarty. All right, let me get 243 glasses for all of us. Yeah. Murder. Yes. Guys, put on the glasses, please. Thank you. Yeah, man. Take on a glass. Big up yourself, Taxi. I appreciate it. What I'm very engaging. I love this. Thank God feel like a crepe. Trust the process with the glasses. Not true. Hey, uno day with me na Gideon, you know. Me not tell a lie. Not me put on my 3D glasses, man, no. Oh, me look through the 3D. Oh, me look. You can't see nothing? Jesus. I wonder if they have a turtle. Sorry, I wonder if they had a turtle glasses or what. In the, see, 10 hours now, you came off the first ride and then you're walking the sort another 5 hours. So another, look, Stewart, we're not going to do that. See, there we reach. We reach. Limit. Me I go, I don't know. Hold on. Abnormal. Quiet. Shh. Shh. Thank you. Abnormal. Number 5, right here. Okay? Guys. Always in the way. We lock up on a bag of sardines. If we cannot escape, we can't come out alive. Hola guys, big up on yourself. Alright. It's all of us? No, we wait. Up from Scotland. Here we go. Yes, I am so excited, guys. Act normal. No, me and my family there. 3 of us. And it was, I don't know, it was 256, I don't know. So we need 1 card for ourselves. Me and my family and the Tami. Jesus Christ, I don't know. You must try it. All right, guys, we are going now. Berta! Yes! Ooh! We're in. Glasses on. All right. Lever on, glasses on. Nobody. We say shame this room. Achoo. Shame this room. We're not ready. This I go nice. Get up on yourself. Okay, guys, just in case you're new and you're just joining us, welcome in to the Family Sunday live stream. We are at Epcot and we're doing the Ratatouille ride. This is a brand new ride here and it's our first time doing it, so we don't know what to expect or anything like that. So everybody hold on, put on your glasses, please. Put on your glasses. Murder. And act accordingly, okay? Let's enjoy the ride. Thank you for the thumbs up.
Le chef is waiting for you. This one. Qu'attendez-vous?
Oh.
Les invités pour le dîner.
Encore un? Non. C'est pour un. Tout simple.
Ouais.
Oui, that's it.
Mais maman. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Oh, yeah. we are the rat to blood clot. I wasn't ready.
Out of my way!
Fasten on the seatbelt, please. What we are going? Jesus. This not sound good at all, guys. When we get ready for scream. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ, my nervous. God Almighty. What the excitement? Yeah, eat my weight bad. Jesus. Oh my God. Oh, wee. I am screaming. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ.
Thanks for coming, everyone. Vous serez toujours les bienvenus chez Rémi. À bientôt et bon appétit. Et Winkle. Oh. Au revoir.
Ah, Jesus, I'm tired. Almighty Christ. Me never ready at all. Wow. Guys, are right over. Hey, I was a rat, you know. Rat eye view, guys. Jesus Christ, rat to bad. Let me get myself together, please. Quick, very quick, Sarah. One and done. After me, I wait for 50 hours in the line. We don't know. It is a mouse ride. I was a mouse.
Okay, be sure to grab all your stuff and watch your step as you exit. Goodbye!
I've been throwing this person.
Ay, ay, ay. Guys, long way, quick ride. Put the. I have to put back the glass, guys.
Don't
Blood
forget to
clot.
glasses. Thank you.
God almighty, guys, me never ready. Mm-mm. Huh? Yeah, I smell the ratatouille. Guys, me not tell lie, the red they could have stayed. To be honest. The experience of it nice. And it's more like a kind of kiddie ride kind of scene if you're into that. A dizzy. A dizzy. But them did have a part in it where you actually smell the food where them are prepare. They're like, wow, that me need a perfume there. I wonder if they can back up some and make it be a perfume. So anytime me hungry, then just need to spray. I eat some vegetable. Do you have a gimbal? What? Kim. What is a gimbal? What were you? Then after, hello, Stuart, no matter with you, please. Oh, don't contrastize me. Would you try again? No. No, it was a one and done for me. You'll be hungry. Guys, the experience was good. We went to France and we ate some crepe. And we hung out with the rats. And it was nice. It was nice. Would I go back? No. Would I eat more crepes? No. Is what you put on your phone to keep it steady. Me hold my phone with me hand. Me hold my phone with me hand the whole time. I become me hand so tight, come afraid. Me hand tight, come afraid. And that's the only reason. Make me keep on so steady. I hang on pound no tight, you see? Very tight. Yeah, man. You know, say no? Next time I have to go listen to no. All right, we'll walk and see what else they got. What's next? Sarah. Sure. You're almost bitter at you. May I crave some potato pudding? Any nearby? Potato pudding? Really? Potato pudding for real? I don't know if none nearby. So you would get a break. You just wear it. Oh. That is true. I don't know, I have one, you know, but I have a neck one, but I not bring it with me. I have a whole heap of them, something. I not really bring them because I can't bother with all of the additional things we may have to bring and take off and the accessories. That's too much work, man. Too much work. But it helped me. It would have been very helpful for true. Food time now, we're hungry. Yeah, there. Hey. See boat right there? Since I don't love boats so much. Brazil. Oh, we're in Brazil. Why anything we can't pronounce, we are going to leave it alone. You understand? Yeah, this is the year we learn from the crepe. We learn a lesson, 100%. Anything we can't pronounce, we are going to leave it alone. I like.
There's no pork chopper at all. Pork.
At least I tell you what they know this. Rice album and pork belly. Brazilian cheese bread. Ooh. It's a strong no for me. Strong. Oh, who's that? Belle? Oh, it look like she featuring off. Zoom in. Wow. It look like she featuring a screenshot. Yep. You better leave it. We learn a lesson. Where's the chicken? We learned we lesson the last time. Hi. Wait, me say, hello, you know they not have none of that limit man, cause that would take long time. You know they not have no curry goat, cause I know that you don't want. You know, make your other food with them, but do also do want curry goat. You don't want, you take one potato, but don't have potato salad, you want curry goat rice with some lettuce by the side. I drink a Guinness right now. Yeah, when I take a Guinness for true. Why? We have to leave them menu alone. Jesus Christ. Bad to bad. Alright, Kim, big up yourself. Thank you for hanging out with us. Be safe out there. Yeah, man, I eat a nice little Sunday dinner. Somebody did want to see fish. They don't have no fish in here, so. What country is this? We're in Macaroon. That's where we are. We're in Macaroon right now. Yeah, man, we're all over the world. We're not go today. All over the world. Cornelius! Wagwan! Oh, there's a show going on, guys. I wonder if me I go catch it. One show I go on. Make me bring on up. God almighty, please. I wonder, me don't know if me I go make a show in time. Let's go. Wanna hear it? Wanna hear the drums? If I over Japan, we are go. Or then give me one crepe something, sir. Why? You did alright, but we will do alright again. Impossible to do Disney for true. Yes, taxi. Okay, right. That's how we are bringing it now. Sure, go on. Because they do have an international food and wine festival going on now, so that's why we are trying all of the like different food and them something. So cool. Yay! Taiko drummers. Hey, 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 hey. Oh, it's so cool. Taffy. Your fave, eh? Yeah, man. Long time I said lift up. Now we're in a rest. Limit. Somebody did say them want to see the fishes. Who did say them want to see the fish? Okay, guys, food time. What do you have to say about this? I want to screenshot. Screenshot. What do you have to say about this now? Oh, it go. Woo! Screenshot. Okay. Oh, that's so cool. Woo! You're welcome.
We hope you enjoy this performance by Matsuriza. Please enjoy the rest of your day here at Epcot.
Thank you. Somebody did say them want to see the fishes. Spicy salmon ball. Boy, we have to try it, you know. Ah, Jesus. Who wanted to see the fishes, though? I only see what the fishes. There they are. When you can't come for me, no one say, me no bring on, because they could see the fish them. Hold it. All right, hold it. Okay. You don't want the screenshot. Beautiful. Let me get my fork. You know, say me not on a fork. Me have to go wrap this up and eat it. Wish me could have catch it up while me I eat though. I don't have no way to catch up and enjoy my food, you know. Oh, true, don't eat the fish in front of the fish. Oh my God, I'm sorry. I wasn't thinking through all of that. I was not thinking through all of that, like for real. I don't want to tell, all right. Jamaican thing. Big up yourself. Welcome in. Menu. Oh. Okay. Let's walk. You got it? All right, Texty. Love that. Vibe. You hold the camera and we eat it. You see, oh no? I saw no steer. I got someone we can go sit down and catch up myself. Big up yourself in Richardson. Guys, look at these buildings. So beautiful, huh? Beautiful. Okay. Oh, only us today? Ah. Let's see what we got. Okay. Ah, guys. No, I best, yeah. I'm not telling a lie. All right, let me try wrap up this and chuck it down. Wow. It's the blend for me. Yes, we're in China now. Thank you, Sarah. They have the international food and wine festival going on. So different food from all over the world. And we're trying everything. Well, not everything, but oh, Morocco. Then what until 11 o'clock. Oh. Oh, you should. Thank you. Guys, me not telling a lie. That tastes so much better. That tastes so much better than the it tastes so much better than the crepe what me did have. Look at this tree. Such a pretty tree. This oh sorry. Okay, so it tastes like a me need to work on my vocabulary. Okay, so this green part tastes like a grass. You know the sushi, like the sushi, the green part of the sushi where then is wrap up your rice? Yes, that tastes like that. And the rice tastes like the rice from the sushi, right? And the brown part is like minced beef with gravy. You know when you cook minced beef down in a gravy? Yes, that's what that part tastes like. Yes, me walk with don't make me sure now. And then it have like some like a little coleslaw. You see the part there right there? So like a little coleslaw on top of it. Me don't know. Hey, fan me don't know. Wanna go tell me if you describe things so I don't know. Say me bad with words. That part they look like a little coleslaw part. Yeah, that tastes like a coleslaw. So all of that wrap up into one. It's a combination. Yep. Don't know if it's oh guys, look at us. We did not China. Oh, screenshot. I like that. Smoke, not raw. Okay, thank you, Sarah. Yes. Sarah is a chef, so Sarah, no, I don't. But anyway, the blend of everything, it's really, really good. Guys, you know, enjoy the tour so far. Thank you so much for thumbsing up the live. Thank everyone for being here. Thank you to all my subscribers. I can't believe we reached 140k subscribers. You know what I mean? We don't go on with the 12 though. Thank you all. You just love sushi? Oh. Thank you, Texi. Guys, as I said, every Sunday we try to bring you somewhere different. And, you know, if you guys want to join the experience, just subscribe and turn on the bell. Okay, so this one now, Jesus Christ. What is? Ooh, lamb chop. Lamb chop sandwich. I love lamb chop. As you can see, because the one they're gonna tell me to describe it. As you can see, we have the bread. The bread is like a hot dog bread, all right? And we have lettuce, we have red onions, carrot, mayonnaise, and the lamb. You see how them like them fillet the lamb she? You see how them fillet the lamb she? Yeah. And then put it in on the bread. Make we bite it and taste it. Guys, best thing when I'm from morning. I ain't gonna lie. This is the one. Big up yourself, Taffy. This is the one. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for supporting me. Like, I appreciate you all. I love the sound effects, right, Texie? Yeah, because I know you love the Oriental music, so yeah, this is your kind of vibe. That's the vibe. We love the content and the. Oh, thank you. I love this comment. Let me just screenshot that comment. Jamaican thing. I'm hoping to get at least 50K soon. Oh, of course, Jamaican thing. Just keep pushing. Keep pushing. Consistency is the key. Okay, definitely the key. You never stop posting. Never stop posting. Even if nobody, even if you think no one is watching, you just keep posting. All right. You never know when that one thing is gonna hit. Especially the munching. Yeah. And that's why I know say when I love my mukbang video them. Anytime I post mukbang videos, it always do well. Kind of love. Uno is a foodie. Uno a foodie. That curb something there. Just did for munch man. Flan, if reading the room was a person, you know. It's nice though. Okay, I sit down and I normal a little bit. And I eat my lamb sandwich. Yum. I do have a poll going on. Would you visit here? Feel free to answer the poll. If you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, feel free to subscribe. Make sure you turn on the post notification bell. Every Sunday, I do try to go live and bring you somewhere different with me. I don't have a specific time. So that's where the bell comes in. And you know, you get notified and you can join in and be a part of the experience. You see me bring on out my feed, you know, me bring on all right. Yeah, me treat on good. Me treat on good bad to bad. We interact, we chill, we vibe. If you don't have any questions, you know, ask me, me answer. You know, it's nice. It's nice. This is Florida. And I'm bring on lollipop place next. Thank you all. Vibe. Love that. No, this restaurant that we went in, it had some of the best miso soup. Jesus Christ. Love, love, love. Love it. Some of the best. Come on. And it's nice. I used to work for a Disney company. Oh, really, Kevin? Big up yourself. You get a discount. Where me forget discount from? Me no work for Disney. Oh, Kevin, you ask. Kevin, you ask.
And I barely use the water.
Oh, Kevin, yeah. Mr. Soup. Oh my God. Oh my Texas, it is so good. So good. Hey, let me tell you a story about cheesecake. So, it's when I did Jamaica. I tried cheesecake. Nasty, yeah. Nasty. Me say no, sir, cheesecake. Who would I eat that? So me come here, son. I try cheesecake. Me say, you know, so the people in Jamaica, most of them don't know how to make cheesecake. They don't know how to make cheesecake. Because look, only make me think me eat something so bad. Only make me think eat something. We should ask Kevin where's the best place to go. Kevin, you have been summoned. Alwa Guan, you only give us a cup of water. Stewart, can you please take time with me? Hey, there's a COVID shutdown. The whole part. I lost my job after COVID. It was too expensive. Oh, Kevin, I hope you have something. You got something better. You know, because sometimes you see when something's happen in life, guys, and you think it's for the worst, sometimes it end up work out for the best. You just don't see the reason as yet. It is true. It is true, but with time, you see say, whoa, it come like God just did a steer you in a different direction if you make you just walk in at your purpose. Facts. Facts. Sarah. Pick up yourself, Kevin. Respiration. Hola, 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 hola. You gonna do a video on the cheesecake? Ah, look, taxi limit. Uno just eat, you know? Uno just eat. You see a lot of Jamaican chef at the event. No, I haven't seen one. I haven't seen one. There's a free water filling station in Macaron. Oh, okay. Okay, Kevin, thank you. I need to bring a bottle, an empty bottle to full up here. I need to bring a empty bottle. Yeah, they want to say we need to go on a cruise ship next. Jesus Christ. Yeah, I go stay out. I want to live for a day in my life. On a day in my house. Hello. I go stay out of my house. You telling her? Next year. Next year, guys. Okay? Next year, we're going to work on a cruise ship. I want to say we're going to work on a cruise ship. When ready? If you really want different cuisine at the Jesus, Kevin, take time with you, please. Language of origin. Kevin, take time with us. Good tip. Indeed. Yeah, next year. Norway. But if I have full clearance for when Air Force One is in South Florida to be the president chef for the... No, Kevin, you see? Look at God. Look at God. Kevin, big up yourself. Big up you right through. I'm happy to hear that. I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you, Kevin. Go on with yourself, though. Maybe we're gonna inside our shop and to move around a little bit. Alright? Since after one Kevin there. Kevin I give you all that. Kevin, which part? Then I know we then give you free food. Other part them I want to know. Tell me. Make we go over there. Hey, murder. You see amount of people that we have here. We're belly very long. We're belly very long for true. It is just the truth. Thank you, Kevin. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. I appreciate your feedback. Norway. Oh, this deserves a pin. That deserves a pin right there, sir. Right there, sir. Big up, yo. Guys, maybe bring it our shop. Go look and see what go on. We don't have no money still, but we can walk and look alike. Kevin and Tami would. Oh my God. You know, it is actually funny, Flan, that you said that. It is, what I tell you, say, you see, God, sometimes you just need some sign of confirmation, and I'm like, wow, that is crazy how you said that. Because we actually, I think, both we start that series on the channel, and I never me come up with the idea. Like my wife come up with that idea and say we need to do that. And I'm like, you know what? That's crazy. That's actually such a great idea. So I'm like, okay. We are gonna work on it. And now you come and say that, fam. That's ooh, I love it. I thought we don't wanna love look too much. Alright, so we are in a store. If you're in South Florida, please come see me in Spank. I would love to give you a free move. Let me screenshot this. Cause see Kevin, I give you a free food, yeah. Make me screenshot this. Cause anyway, Kevin, they may have to find Kevin. You see some nice people there on the world, yeah. Wow. Thank you, Kevin. I appreciate it. Guys, what size are now here? I like it, you know. I'm gonna see nothing else. So. Let's window shop. Let's oversize this. Nobody wants to sleep with that, is that? Oba. While. Why? Another one. Maybe the Jamaican chef are late. Maybe. Oh, that is so nice. Oh, where you saw them make drum and them thing there? Oh, it's an aquarium, guys. With I think it's oysters. What? I know from your free food you want screenshot. You understand? Clams. I don't know what it is, but it looks so cool. Oh my gosh. Hi. What are these? Clams? Oysters. Oh. Oh, I'm so sorry. Okay. Oyster. Wow. Yeah. Didn't say oysters. And people never come and want to buy. That's nice. Wow. Those are the oysters. You can have a pearl removed from them and they make the jewelry for you. Watch Kevin. Kevin, pick up yourself. Guys, I just love how we're getting like the first-hand information right here. I not have to make up nothing Anna say because Kevin there with the grand. Don't watch too much. Kevin there with the realest information. You understand? Yeah. Thank you, Kevin. I wouldn't know the difference between clam and oyster. I think one did shape long and one shape like it's shape different. One shape long and one shape round with the ruffle edges. You don't know what I mean. You don't know what I mean. But I would excitement like what did I do? Cute little bag. When the ice are them dash in a little in a pepper, suck it off. And that we don't know. Okay, baby. Limit. All right, limit. Guys, I'm not really going to the shop anymore. But I look and they see there, I'm not arguing there, but no, we could go walk. That's it basically. Nothing like, yeah. Oh, Kevin, big up yourself. And thank you for being here and sharing with us. But guys, may I wrap up here now. May I go spend some time with the family and do some more stuff. Anything else new that I get, I will definitely vlog it and post it. So if you haven't as yet subscribed to the channel, watch my videos on my page. I post regular video, I post shorts video, I post live video, I post everything. So feel free to watch it and make sure you comment so me soon. Because I know I watch the video and I like the video now comment so I can't get for soon. No, we not go home yet. But I go spend some. Guys, it's about balancing. You see, work-life balance, it is very important. Very important. So yeah, man, big up on yourself. I love alone. If anything exciting happen, like me, I'm going on another ride, I will come back on and show you. Alright? Flan, limit. limit. Gaza Tog, big up yourself. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching. Thank you, Kevin. Definitely check it out. Big up on yourself. Love all, Lord. Okay, guys, bye.